Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how to host a meeting in Zoom. So here in the first example we will start with the Zoom desktop client. So after you open your Zoom desktop application, you will need to sign in with your account. And if you don't have it, only sign in with a Google account or Facebook or even an Apple account. So after that, you will be headed or redirected in the home page. So basically, to host a meeting, it is so easy. All you need to do is come to this orange button and click on your meeting, and you will have your meeting that is started to be hosted. So basically, this is the meeting window or view. So now you can do all the actions that can be done in a meeting. The other way to start a meeting is by going to your web portal. So after you go to your Zoom website, you will have to sign in and with accounts. After that, you will just click on my account here, and then it will take you to the Zoom portal or your user portal. So now we want to click on meetings, and then you will just schedule a meeting. Let's for example schedule a meeting, and then just click on save, and we will have the ability to start our meeting now. So I'm going to click on start, and don't check this one because we want to launch it on our the browser. So I'm just going to click on cancel and launch meeting, cancel again, and now we can click on join from your browser. So after you click it, you will have your meeting that is being hosted on your browser. So basically, again, you can have like all your actions as a host, like sharing your screen, waiting for others to join the room, seeing the participant list, etc. etc. So basically, this is how you can host a meeting on Zoom. So thank you for watching and goodbye.